shiatsu massage. I don't think I've ever gotten one before, but I read like all the benefits and they seem pretty nice. So let's try it. I just came back from a run. I am very sweaty. I'm gonna show you my morning stretches after I take a run. I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, but I kind of just compiled the ones that work best for me. So I'm gonna show you my stretching routine. Stretching is a big part of self-care. I feel like it definitely shapes your muscles better. It also makes you feel a lot better for like the overall day. I did like around like 15 to 30 seconds going this way and then another one going like down. This one helps make the neckline look nice. Then also put like your hand behind. I feel like I get a better stretch that way. It's 6:35. The only time I can run is like really early in the morning. And then I stretch the back of my neck. Just a little bit of like shoulder stretch. And this one's my favorite, just to like put your hands behind your back. Now we're gonna do some leg stretch. Go like this. So I can stretch this part. Go down like this for like a better stretch. And then I go the other way. Hold on, get my balance. Other leg. I stretch for about 30 minutes. But so I'm gonna cut this down a lot. Just like that. And then I do a little of my qigong. Da, 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 da. I feel like this really helps like, awaken the body and loosen it up also. The arms too. Okay, this is my extensive routine. Stretch the arms. It's also really important, especially if you're doing a lot of like writing or typing or just like anything with your hands. When I was in my flute class, they always taught us to stretch afterwards. Squish it a bit. Squish, squish. Just like that. Oh, that's not 30 minutes. That's around like 20 minutes. It's just from Flower Nose. This was gifted, but I just like how cute it is. I've just been doing this for like the past 10 minutes or so. I'm just like massaging my scalp with my hairbrush. It's my muscle too. Thank God it's the hug. Yay! There's tofu. It's like a caramelized syrup. Definitely try it. Okay, my first time going out by myself. Look at this nose. We're gonna get a scalp treatment. I'm trying to focus more on like my scalp health too. Cause I feel like I've been kind of neglecting it, or like I've never really like taken care of my scalp that much before, but I've started doing it with like the massages and stuff. Scheduled for 3. Oh my God. I think I have an oily scalp. My scalp. Steaming my hair.
Scalp also skin. Water make your hair and scalp is a little messy and dry. That's why your moisturizing care is very important after skincare. Today's styling. It's your lazy baby.
I just came back from the scalp treatment. It is very nice. I 100% recommend it. I only recommend a place if I say something about it. Like if I'm like, oh, but this place, I definitely recommend this. I'm gonna go eat right now and then we'll go back. Okay. Some errands. I also picked up some stuff that I'm gonna bring back to the US. If you want to see, I got this tea. This is my favorite tea. I can't really find this back in the US, so yay! I literally use that tea sparingly at home because I love it. I remember I tried it because it just looked nice, but then it's actually like a really good quality. Okay, let's drive home. I'm really short right now. I'm gonna show you some home care tips because I feel like I've been breaking out a bit and I honestly don't know why. It might be my diet, but I'm pretty sure it's just because I'm aging because I used to never get this. I'm going to steam. I have some boiled water here. That feels nice. Whenever I see a breakout emerging, I always just put my face over a steamer. And I feel like it definitely calms it down. I've just been trying to find different ways to take care of my skin. It's definitely not the same as before. It has been like 10 minutes. I'm gonna cut my side bangs or curtain bangs. They've just been getting really long. So the bush. Trash cans are under me. I'm gonna make it like to my chin. Bro, I just don't have scissors. I said I was gonna use it. Go to like right here. Always trim longer than you think. Ta-da. Now I'll try to make it even. That's a good length. Ta-da. Someone lost their picture. It also looks nice when you put your hair up. It's like that. A while ago, I bought an Awala. It 100% worked. It's mainly because there is a sippy straw. It's kind of dirty, but it's both sippy straw and like normal like spout. This is a 32 ounce or 945 milliliter. It's around 4 cups. I've been drinking at least one of this almost every day. There's some days where I don't drink the whole thing, which is okay, but because this is kind of a lot. I've been drinking a lot of water now, so that's really nice. Earlier this day, we came back from celebrating my brother's birthday, so let's clear this all up. This is the first time I really did more of like an extreme transformation video, transfer glow look thing. I feel like I really enjoy this process. There's also a lot of me getting out of my like comfort zone. So usually I just like doing things at home, but it was nice to go out and do some things for myself. So if you ever get the opportunity, I feel like you should definitely schedule something like this every once in a while. I just felt like my cup was really refilled with this. So anyway, we are going back to the States pretty soon. I'm just trying to enjoy my time as much as possible. So this video is going to be a little bit late. I apologize for that. But I will see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. It's raining.